Hey guys, so today is my birthday. Anyways, रात को मुझे जब फ़ोन पे विशेज़ आ रही थी, there was this guy I was talking to who was wishing me, जो मुझे अभी नया जानता है, like a new friend. And that guy was like, मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है तू बर्थडेज वगैरह सेलिब्रेट नहीं करता होगा, right? And I'm like, कि हाँ मैं नहीं करता. Yes, because you're one of those जो सोचते हैं कि okay now I'm 1 year closer to death. I'm not that as well. ठीक है, मैं वो भी नहीं हूँ. I just think it's just another day of the year which is not special in any way, but it got me thinking कि like, am I that pretentious? Like मैं इतना I don't know. So I'm gonna find out why I don't feel like celebrating birthdays or why I don't think they're anything special in this vlog. So guys, I need to stop this vlog because I just received an anonymous gift. These are nice. और इसमें basically बादाम है, which is weird because usually you would expect chocolate as a gift, but इसके साथ there's a note. This note basically reminds me to eat healthy so I can live longer. तो बादाम की सेंस बन गई, but still this doesn't have a name on it, या फिर कहीं और भी. So if you want to send me something again, put your name on the note. It'll be fine. Trust me. Alright, let's continue with the vlog. मास्क लगा क्या?
हाँ मास्क लगा के आ रहा हूँ. हैप्पी बर्थडे भाई.
हैप्पी बर्थडे. ठीक है, मास्क लगा क्या? मास्क लगा क्या?
गंदा हो रहा है.
अरे ये
क्या लग रहा है? ये बहुत चूतिया लग रहा है. ऐसा ही भाई बहुत चूतिया लग रहा है.
भाई साहब
चला ले, पीछे वीडियो बना रहा हूँ मैं चला तो कल भाई साहब.
अरे वो तो एडिट हो जाता है.
ओ
हाँ एडिट हो जाती है, तू कर दे एडिट. मुझे नहीं आती एडिटिंग में
साहब.
मुझे नहीं आती एडिटिंग.
अरे यार मेरी वो CS:GO वाली आईडी बता दो यार.
इसलिए तो
निखिल खेलेगा वैसे CS:GO?
यार खेल लेगा तो बड़ा मन था. एक दिन PC ऑन करा, वो चला ही नहीं यार. पासवर्ड
चला ही नहीं गया.
हाँ,
किस पे? तेरे पे?
CS:GO का पासवर्ड मांग रहा था वो.
अच्छा.
मैंने पासवर्ड डाला, वो कह रहा रॉन्ग पासवर्ड. मैंने सारे पासवर्ड ट्राई कर लिए,
सारी रॉन्ग.
सारे ही रॉन्ग. मैंने सोचा
किसी और की आईडी तो नहीं डाला था.
चूतिया.
पासवर्ड तो तूने डाला था.
मैंने डाला था.
हाँ.
तो तूने कैसे सारे ट्राई कर लिए जब मैंने डाला था तो?
मैंने सोचा ये कुछ डाला ही होगा सारे ने.
डाला ही होगा.
अपने हिसाब से भाई डालता गया मैं.
सैनिटाइजर लेके आ.
करके है सर साफ सब कुछ.
अबे सैनिटाइजर लेके आ, करके मत आ. नहीं तो एक बात बता. ओए इधर वो नहीं हो, नीचे एक बात बता. ये सामान तूने ऐसे रख दिया और ये सामान तू यहाँ फेंक रहा है. सैनिटाइजर लेने का फायदा क्या? वो सैनिटाइज कर रहा है ये सामान.
गाड़ी में आऊंगा ये बाहर ही. तुम
गाड़ी में सैनिटाइजर यूज नहीं करता, आग लग जाती है. देख यार मेरे पास नहीं है, उसके पास है. तो डोंट वरी, वी डिड सैनिटाइज एवरीथिंग खाने से पहले एंड वी एंजॉयड अ बिट. और तो मेरे मना करने के बाद भी जब मैं घर गया, सो माई सिस्टर हैड प्रिपेयर्ड अ केक फॉर मी एंड दैट्स नाइस. सो आई गेट ऑल ऑफ दैट के यू नो व्हाई दिस ऑल कुड बी फन एंड व्हाई समवन वुड लाइक दिस एंड इवन आई लाइक दैट यू नो यू आर विद योर फैमिली, यू आर विद योर फ्रेंड्स, यू आर एंजॉयिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. व्हाट आई डोंट लाइक अबाउट इज द ओवर हाइपिंग ऑफ द बर्थडेज. आई मीन माई बर्थडे 7 days to go, 6 days to go. My girlfriend's birthday 2 hours and 17 minutes 33 seconds to go. That's what I find weird. But if you want to do it, you know, my birthday is that to go, my girlfriend's birthday is that far away. It's fine, I understand. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि तुम्हें नहीं करना चाहिए. That's just something I don't like. But here's the real problem I find with birthdays. You know what? Let's go somewhere else. तो क्या क्या चीज़ें करते हैं बर्थडेज पे? यू नो you meet your friends, okay, you have fun with your friends and you give your time to your friends and you let them know you appreciate them. Friends give you some gifts usually which it tells you how much they appreciate you, so you tell them how much you appreciate them and it tells you how much they appreciate you. And with your family it's pretty much the same thing. Everyone is going to wish you the best in your life. Everyone will say खूब जियो, full of follow, पता नहीं. Basically the same thing you're doing with your friends and family is just showing appreciation, right? And ठीक है, that's all good, it's all good. And there's one more thing about birthdays. जब लोगों का बर्थडे होता है ना, they get into that place के अब मैं इतने साल का हो गया. By the way, I'm 23 now. तो they get into this place के okay, now I need to really think about what I'm doing with my life. Or not only that, you know, I think I should donate a bit here, I should donate a bit there. And I should make a plan for my own life. जितनी भी चीज़ें you do with your birthday, appreciating your friends, appreciating your families, donating, making a plan for your life, and above all, taking time to have fun in your life. Don't you think you should do all of those things anyway? कि birthday हो या नहीं? So what's really special about a birthday? We were watching the tape of my first birthday. I looked back, there was my family watching that tape. You know, मेरे पापा, मम्मी और मेरी बहन. And there's one thing I realized which It's kind of hard to explain and hard to grasp. I asked myself, where do I end and the family begin? So like obviously physical level पे you can create a boundary, like this is my physical body, or जैसे मेरी मम्मी अभी is downstairs, so she is there, right? But that's not what I'm talking about. So, you know, if there is line, it's very thin and it's very blurred. Because, and let me tell you what I mean by that. Because I'm very happy about something, right? I know my family is very happy about it, and so we are usually working in unison. तो जैसे मैं उस वीडियो को देख रहा था, I was in the flashback, in the nostalgia, like I was like that, and I was looking behind my family. They were all feeling the exact same thing. At that moment, I felt that we are not different people enjoying something. I felt like we are one, which is that feeling that we are getting right now, and that's kind of important. I know कि मैं बहुत अच्छे से explain नहीं कर रहा, right? But you need to look past it. Like, if you look past just your physical bodies, where does the line stand? जहाँ पर where do you end, and the people most important in your life, where do they begin? I don't really see that line, मतलब apart from the body, as again. So it's, if you know what I mean, you would know I'm talking about the feeling of oneness. That's just something I realized when we were watching that tape. So just wanted to share it over here. Just wanted to, get your thoughts about it. Because of that nostalgia, you are all living the same experience, feeling the same thing. And so maybe even for one moment, you are not different people. You are just the experience you are living together. I'm trying to say, the people are different, the memories are different, but the emotions we are all feeling at the time are the same. So that creates this feeling of oneness, this feeling of togetherness, and that kind of gives me an idea why birthdays are important. And let's get into that. मेरी मम्मी, मेरे पापा, मेरी बहन, मेरी नानी, मेरे पापा की मामी, मेरी मासी, उनकी मासी और उनके हस्बैंड, मेरे पापा के मामा, मेरी मम्मी के मामा, दक्ष के पापा, दक्ष की मम्मी, मेरे पापा के फ्रेंड जो अंकल दक्ष के घर रहते थे ऑन रेंट, कैन ऑल कम टुगेदर एंड हैव फन, इवन द अंकल विद द गन, इस 1 साल के बच्चे की वजह से, who is so simple, who does not understand the value of money, who is so simple and fragile that it's a celebration that he was able to survive for a year, who does not know what any of it means, but 22 साल बाद he'll realize he's not the reason at all. He's not special. देखने में शायद ऐसा लगे कि he's the reason सारे लोग यहाँ पर हैं और celebrate कर रहे हैं, right? But he'll realize he's just an excuse for all of these people to come together and get this feeling of oneness and togetherness. And even though it was just an excuse, it was a privilege, because still it's more than anything he can provide even right now, because he will realize how much we actually need it. You can see it with friends, you can see it with family, you can see it जब हम अपनी फेवरेट टीम्स को सपोर्ट करते हैं. You can see it when we watch movies. You can see it when we support our nation. And you can see it when humanity wins. So no one person is special. But when we come together and become one and create, that is special. When we become singular. Alright, that being said, take good care of yourself, take good care of your family, appreciate everyone in your life, and look forward to that feeling of oneness. Maybe we can even find it through vlogs like these. I don't know. Maybe someday.